Abafundi bafuna iziphathimandla zakulesi sikole zithathele izinyathelo bonke othisha abathinteka ezigamekweni zokunukubeza ngokocansi abafundi.
Amanye bamaxhoba bathi into yobana bangathanda ukuba abatitshala babanjwe, abanye bathi bangathanda ukuba abatitshala bayeke ukufundisa aba ngoba abaziva bekhuselekile kwalapha esikolweni zisekhona ezi titshala.
Uyisisulu salokhu uthi ngemuva kokuhlukunyezwa uthisha wayefuna ukuzibulala, uthi iziphathimandla zesikole ziyawafihla lamacala.
What made me scared of him more is the fact that he threatened to take my life. He was like, he knows there's someone who said, yena he ucofa abantwana besikolo and uyayazi nezititshala athethe kuyo lento, they have agenda engekhontle against him. So yena nothing could ever happen to him because he has people in higher positions.
Kunezinsolo zokuthi izigameko zokunukubezwa ngokocansi kwabafundi kulesikole sekunesikhathi eside zenzeka.
Kutheni utishala angavulelwa icase abantu? Siphinde siqonde ke singumthatha GBV abafazi into kubana apha Eastern Cape icrime ininzi. Bangathuma inkabi zidubule umntana okanye abazali bomntwana.
Bayisithupha othisha bamisiwe kusaqhubeka uphenyo.